Hello friends, I am Dr. Harshavardhan Ghorpade once again from DOBS Eye Institute, Fortis Hospital, Vashi, Navi, Mumbai. Today I am going to tell you about our laser machine. This is the laser machine. The laser machine is used for correction of glass power. It is used to remove glass power up to -15 and +5 as well as for near and distance corrections. Now this machine has got the basic part, which is the main unit, which is called as the console. This is the microscope through which we see the patient's eyes. This is the main console, and these are the two computers which have got all the parameters entered. For example, if a patient has a power of -4, we enter the power here in this particular computer, while this computer is used to select the area where we are going to treat on the cornea. The cornea is the black part of your eyes. Once we enter the parameters and once we do the centration of the machine, this is the foot pedal here, which we press so that the laser starts firing, and within 5 minutes the entire procedure is over and the patient's -4 power is gone and he goes out and completely without glasses. So now this is the area where the patient lies down and the table goes up and the patient's eyes are focused under the microscope. We have other machines also which we use to check various things before we do the laser procedure. So this is the pentacam machine here, which is used to do the topography test. By doing the topography test, we know if the patient's eyes are safe for doing the laser procedure, while there are other machines like this one checks the retina, and the other ones over there, they check the glass power of the patient. So now let's come to the principle of this procedure. Now just in short, I'll be telling you, this is the eye of the patient. It has got 3 parts. The outer part is called the cornea. This is the cornea, and this is the lens, and the back is the retina. So this is the eye of the patient. This is the cross section. Now the light passes through the cornea, through the lens, and reaches the retina. What happens is that if the patient has got minus power, the light does not reach the retina. It reaches somewhere here, and what the laser does is changes the shape of this outer part, which is the cornea, and in turn focuses the light on the retina. This is a very basic physics, because as you can see, the cornea is quite curved, and when we do laser, it slightly flattens out and changes the direction of light and it reaches the retina. It's very simple. Now the laser that we have is called as a bladeless, cutless, touchless, flapless, bloodless, and anesthesia-less, if you can, sorry, not anesthesia but painless laser. And what happens in this is that basically the treatment is done on the surface of the cornea. We don't take a cut or a flap. In other lasers, usually a cut or a flap needs to be taken and the treatment is done under the flap, but on this machine we do it on the surface and without touching the patient's eyes. The entire procedure is done by the machine. The patient has to look at the light, which is red in color, and our job is to tell the patient to look at the light, to enter the power in the machine and press the foot pedal. That's it. So that makes the procedure very simple, straightforward, very safe, and it is considered to be one of the safest procedures in the world. So therefore I recommend all of you that if you have glass power and if you feel that this glass power needs to be corrected, then I feel that you should always consider this safe procedure of doing a bladeless, touchless, cutless laser, which is done at our institute in DOBS Eye Institute, Fortis, Vashi. So thank you very much for watching this video, and hope you enjoyed it and hope you get knowledge and it helps you to make the decision for undergoing a laser procedure. Thank you.